And take them off. Sit down. Bye-bye, Pants.
I'm cold.
Yeah. What?
Boom, Tata.
Boom, Tata. You can speak English. Now come here. Put on your pants.
More.
That's not a remote. Put it back. Come here, honey. Honey. Lena. Lena, look at Mommy. Hi, pretty. Lena, where's your pants? Where's your pants? Oh, no. Lena's naked. I see Lena's tiny.
More.
Come here. All right, I'll get your attention. Come on.
Ow.
You're stuck in the middle there.
Meow.
You're stuck in the middle. She's going meow, meow. Uh-oh. What happened?
Down.
Daddy, look what I did.
I can't.
Sit down and do it. Sit down.
I can't.
Go on. What the? Okay, there you go.
Meow.
There you go. Now put the other foot in. You're always doing that. Oh, be careful, honey. Jump? No. Lena, no. Sit down on the floor and
Hope.
maybe you want to help.
Hope it. Hope it. Hey, that's it.
Oh, what the? Where's Lena? Where's Lena? Ah, I see you. Where's Lena? Oh no, where'd she go? Lena.
I'm coming. Hat.
Hat.
Rabbit.
Say, Daddy, wake up. Hi, Daddy.
What are you doing, silly?
Cow.
Towel.
Put your pants on your hiney. Put your pants on your hiney. Look, sit down.
She has to do it by herself. She's like the
Won't touch.
Bootada. Now she's mad because she can't get it back on. Boy, Miss Temper. It's your pants, Lena. They don't go on your head. Go play the piano. Where's your piano, Lena? honey?
A pants. A pants.
Go on, put your pants on. Sit down. Sit down, finish. Put in your pants
A
on.
pants. A
Well,
pants. A pants.
mm-hmm.
A pants. A sitting.
Sit in. Put your feet in the hole.
A hobo. A hobo.
Alright, I'll help you.
Sitting. A dodo.
I don't know if I could.
Odie.
That's not Oli.
Odie.
It's Yaki you found on the floor. Did you throw macaroni on the floor?
Odie.
Did you do that?
Odie. Four.
You threw it on the floor, didn't you?
Kibbles. Oops. Oops.
Oops.
Oops.
Thank you. You're going to pick up all the pieces and give them back to me? Thank you.
Hey.
I didn't want them. No, I got to throw them away.